Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 8, percent and percentage. What does percent actually means? It is divided into two parts. First word is per and the second word is cent. Here the per means every and cent means 100. For every 100. That is written over here, and its symbol is a slanting line, then a dot above and the dot below. This tells that it is a person symbol. Okay, now let us understand with an example that what it actually means. Suppose this is a chocolate and you want to eat 1/4 of the chocolate. So we will divide this chocolate into four equal parts. Okay, and then let me clearly tell you that I will color the one part of the chocolate. So when we have to write it 1/4, so this is the part of the whole chocolate, but this is in fraction, not in percentage. Clear? So if we have to write this fraction into 100, so we have to see that how we will convert the fraction into 100. Suppose let us divide this chocolate into 100 parts, from which we can easily get that how much percent of chocolate is being consumed by you. So we will divide the rows and columns into 10 parts. Means 10 tens is 100, from where you can get that how much chocolate or how much percent of chocolate is being consumed by you. So from here now we can get that how much percent of chocolate is being consumed. As you can see that we will count the blocks that is in a shaded area out of the 100 parts, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Okay, so from now on, from this area we have got that out of the 100 parts we have eaten 25%, and it is written like this. So, and it can also be denoted like this: 25 upon 100. It also actually means that 25% of chocolate is being consumed out of the 100 parts. Or we can simply solve 1 by 4 into multiplying the 100 in numerator and in the denominator. Then when we solve it, we also get 25 upon 100. And it is written like this: 25%. Percent is the numerator of a fraction whose denominator is 100. So now from here we can get that if we have to take the things into a fraction, we will take the numerator and denominator. But in case of a percentage, we will only talk about the numerator part. And it is written like 25 upon 100. So we can easily write the numerator part as 25%, as you can see. So now from here, I think you have got that what is actually the percentage. If we need to standardize the fraction, we just simply needs to take the numerator part of the following fraction, and we can solve it by dividing and multiplying the 100 in numerator and 100 in the denominator, and from here we have got. Now let's take another example to understand that what is the person. Suppose there are two boys named Amit and Joseph, and Amit has got 40 marks out of 50 and Joseph got 190 marks out of 200. So out of them, can you tell that whose marks is better or who has scored well? Suppose this thing was out of 100, and we can easily get from there that whose result is better. So we will convert the following thing into a percent by dividing and multiplying 100 into the numerator and in the denominator. So from here we can get that how much percent of marks Amit is getting. So after solving, Amit has got 80% marks, or we can write 80 upon 100. Clear? And what about Joseph? We will also convert the Joseph marks into a percentage so that we can get how much percent of marks he is also getting. So again we will multiply 100 in numerator and 100 in denominator, and then when we solve this we will get 95 upon 100. Clear? And he has got 95%. So from here we can easily tell us that Joseph marks is much better than the Amit marks. So from here now we have got that if we need to convert any fraction into a percentage, we just simply needs to multiply and divide the fraction by 100. Okay, but from here we can see that I haven't touched the 100 in the denominator in Amit portions also and in the Joseph also. Why? Because we need 100 in the denominator over here, and we just simply solved it, and we have got that how much percent of marks Amit is getting, and that is 80%, and how much percentage of marks Joseph is getting, that is 95%. So from here we have learned that if we need to convert any fraction into a percentage, so we will take the fraction, suppose 3 upon 10, and just simply multiply it with 100, and we have got 30%. So this is the easiest method to understand. Again, 20 upon 50, multiply it with 100. So after solving it we will get that it is 40%. Okay, so now from this I think you are very clear that what is actually the percent. Thank you.